Imagine Halloween night in a quiet suburb, the kind of street that feels safe because it's familiar. Orange porch lights, wind in the trees, a distant dog barking, then nothing. And that's the first warning. Dolence. Michael Myers isn't scary because he talks, or because he's clever, or because he enjoys your fear. He's scary because he's blank. No negotiation, no explanation, no emotional rhythm you can predict. Most killers in movies have patterns you can manipulate. Michael doesn't. He's not trying to prove anything. He's not trying to win. He's just moving forward. That changes the survival game completely. This isn't a duel. It's not a boss fight. You don't outbrave him. You don't get a dramatic victory moment. If you treat it like a movie, you die like a movie. So this video is a real survival blueprint built around one idea. You don't beat Michael Myers by being heroic. You beat him by being disciplined. We'll break down the threat, the mistakes people always make, what to do in the first minute, how to move, how to use space, and the only kind of plan that actually raises your odds. Michael doesn't punish weakness, he punishes human instincts. Instinct 1, curiosity. Is that really him? That question kills people. Instinct 2, isolation. I'll check alone. That gets you separated. Instinct 3, closure. He's down, it's over. With Michael, down is not done. Your plan cannot depend on a lucky hit, because even if you do everything right for 10 seconds, one mistake resets the entire situation. So the goal isn't to win. The goal is to remove the conditions he thrives in. Darkness, silence, confusion, one-person targets. Your blueprint has to be boring on purpose. Light witnesses, distance, exits, communication, and the golden rule. Never trade certainty for curiosity. If something feels wrong, you don't investigate. You move to safety and you make it public. Treat this like a fire. If your house was on fire, you wouldn't check the noise. You wouldn't split up. You wouldn't go back inside for closure. You'd evacuate with a plan. Same here. Step 1, do not stay alone. 2 people minimum. 3 is better. If you can't stay together, move to a public place immediately. Step 2, control visibility. Open sight lines. Lit areas. Fewer blind corners. Darkness is his advantage. Information is yours. Step 3, distance and exits. Every space you enter needs a way out that doesn't require passing him. If you don't have that room is a trap. Step 4, make it loud. Real life isn't a horror whisper. Turn on lights, trigger car alarms, make noise. Witnesses reduce his control. Step 5, communication early. You call the moment you have a credible signal, not after you confirm. You confirm by staying alive. Worst moment, you see the mask. He's not running. He's just there. Your brain will bargain. Maybe it's a prank. That hesitation is the opening, so you run a checklist. 1, distance. Back away toward light and a clear exit. No corners, no dead ends. 2, light and noise. Porch lights, indoor lights, car alarm, anything that makes the scene public. 3, call and say only facts, location, direction, description, no story, coordinates. 4, move to a camera zone, gas station, store, busy street, anywhere with CCTV and people. 5, keep the group intact. Nobody goes to check behind. If someone falls behind, you don't split. You move to the nearest safe point and keep eyes on each other. Michael wins when the situation becomes private. Your first minute is about making that impossible. If Michael is in the house is no longer safety. It becomes geometry, hallways, doorways, blind corners, and geometry kills. So you stop running room to room. You pick one strong room. Your strong room needs one primary entrance, a secondary exit, space to barricade, a clear line of sight to the door. Then you do 3 things. Fast, light, noise, barriers, light, every switch on, flashlight aimed at the entry, noise, make a simple alarm, objects near the door that fall if pushed, barriers, furniture to slow entry, not to hold forever, to buy seconds, and the most important part, prepare the exit early. You do not wait until he's at the door. People die because they try to hold out. Real survival is unglamorous. Create a time window, then leave. Hard rules, things you never do. 1. Never investigate a sound. That's a curiosity tax. You move to light and people. 2. Never split up. Just for a second is how you die. 3. Never approach him because he's down. If he falls, you create distance and leave. 4. Never assume closure. No victory lap, no emotional release. Keep moving to safety. 5. Never go back for items, keys, weapons, anything. If you go back, you die. 6. Never choose dead-end spaces. Basements with one stairwell, attics with one ladder. Those are cages. 7. Never try to prove you're brave. Bravery is a performance. Survival is a procedure. Avoid these 7, and you're already ahead of most horror protagonists. Sometimes contact happens. If it does, your goal is not to win. Your goal is a 10 to 20 second window to escape. That means no wrestling, no close range gambling, no one perfect hit. You use obstacles, doors, furniture, corners you can see around. You keep your feet under you. You don't fall. You move laterally, not backward into traps. You keep your exit behind you, not behind him. And if you create space, you do not stay to confirm. You leave. Because the biggest trap is emotional thinking. I have to finish this. No, you have to survive this. So what's the real plan? It's not a weapon, it's not courage, it's refusing to play the horror script. Michael wins when you're alone, in the dark, in tight spaces, convinced the story needs closure. So your survival formula is the opposite. Light and sight lines, people and witnesses, distance and exits, early communication and clear location, no investigation, no checking, no is it over. Discipline beats bravery because Michael Myers isn't trying to scare you. He's just moving forward. So your job is to move forward too, toward visibility, toward people, toward safety. Final question. If you saw that mask tonight, would you go into the dark to make sure, or would you do the boring correct thing and live?